I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts. Yeah. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts. Admitted I move like amoeba. Yeah. I float in the room like I'm reefer. Yeah. Alien, I'm not your kind of people. Yeah. Telepathic fan, watch how I read you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video that you guys have been like waiting for, asking me questions on if I'm gonna do one, everything like that. So I'm doing a wig tutorial because y'all know this ain't my hair. But yes, I am doing a wig tutorial on this wig. It is with My First Wig, and this is literally my first wig. Like, I love this wig. When I have this wig on, I feel like I'm a new person. I'm just bad. Like, I'm just like, you can't tell me nothing. Like, okay. But no, really, when I put this wig on, it's just like, dang, like, it feels so real. It feels like it's mine. It looks like it's mine. It's so natural. I'm gonna show you in the video exactly how to put it on, what My First Wig sent me, everything that came in the box when you get the wig. So I do want to let you guys know this video is sponsored with My First Wig. This is my honest opinions, my honest thoughts on this wig. Like, I'm not going to sugarcoat nothing. I wish y'all can just touch this wig. But honestly, if you guys are looking for a wig and it's your first time and you're not sure on exactly what type of wig you want, or you know who you should get it from, or who you should buy it from, if the site's legit, this is a great first wig. If you've never had a wig before, if you want to find a wig, if you are looking for a wig that you're not sure on how long you want it, or what style you want it, what texture. My First Wig, in the box that they gave me this list right here, and I'm going to read you exactly what this wig is. The texture is silky, very silky. The length is 20 inch, and the hair color is natural hair color. And then the lace cap up here is light brown. And it does come with 2 wig caps, because you do want to put a wig cap under here. But I show you guys all that in this video. This wig is already pre-plucked, and you can wear this wig in the middle, and the side, and the ponytail. Like, it's a lace front where you can part it anywhere, and it's still going to look natural. It's still going to look like a real part. I've already worn this wig maybe like three or four times, and I love it each time. I get many compliments on it. It's so soft. There's like barely any shedding. You have little flyaways up here, but that's like with any wig. But you can just pull them. You can use your flat iron to kind of lay them down. I've just been pulling them, cutting them, putting hairspray on them to keep them down. I mean, really, you can't see them because they're not that noticeable. But honestly, I love this wig. Like, honestly, for my very first wig, hands down, this is amazing. And I love it. And it's really so, it's like full and beautiful. It's just, beautiful. And I did curl it a little bit. It did come semi-curl, but it was mainly straight, but it wasn't like bone straight. So I don't know what this wig would look like bone straight, but I'm pretty sure it would be cute. I just like to add a little curl to the bottom of it. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I put this wig on, then keep on watching.
Okay, so first you have the cute little box it came with, and I'm showing you right here how I have my wig cap on and where I like to place it. And then you have the cute little bag that the hair came in. It's like a little Ziploc bag. And then it comes with another cap. And this really cute bag comes with some good goodies in it. And the first goodie I'm going to pull out is some bobby pins. I don't really use those bobby pins, but it's okay. And then you have the clips. I use those to pin back my hair when I'm straightening it and applying it with the glue. And then you do have this comb where you can part it and comb out your hair as well. And then you have this little brochure that shows you what comes in that little pouch and, you know, how to use them. And then you have this white book right here, and it shows you how to style your wig and who uses the wig. And now I'm just showing you what products you are going to need and all of that good stuff. Okay, so now we are going to be using this Gorilla Glue. This glue is okay. I do think I want to try the Gots to Be glue. I believe that's what it's called. This one holds, but I feel like it just takes me such a long time to actually like get the wig to stick. But I mean, it does smell good. It is really sticky. As you can see, I made it look like I had like boogers because it is a Gorilla Snot. That's what it's called. But right now, as you can see, I am just applying it around my edges of my hair, not on my baby hair, just around my edges. And I just apply as a good amount, really a good amount, because if you do too little, then it really won't stick and it will kind of dry fast. But I do just keep applying it to where it's coated good enough. But now I am taking my blow dryer, making sure it's on cool, the cool setting. You don't want it hot. You want it cool so it can dry. And I'm just, you know, drying it as much as I can until it can get like tacky. Okay, so now I am going to be taking the wig out of the packet, or the pouch, I should say. And as you can see, it looks so soft. You can see on the inside where it has the little cap and the little clips. You can hook it to your, you want to actually hook it to your hair. You guys can see the actual scalp where your scalp and the wig cap will be showing. And just look at this wig. It looks so nice, so amazing, so amazing. And just when you're putting this wig on, make sure that you aren't getting hair on your edges where the glue is. That's why I'm taking these clips right now and putting it back, because I have done it before and oh my gosh, it's just the worst thing, because it's like, dang, now I gotta get this glue out of this hair. So place it as directly in the middle as possible, and as far back as you want it, as far forward you want it, and making sure you put those clip comb pieces in your hair so that wig is not gonna fly off. And I do want to mention that I didn't mention the wig did come with lace in the front, so you do have to cut that excess off. So now I am clipping my hair back some more because I am applying more glue, because I did wait a little long to put the wig on, so the glue that I already applied kind of dried, so it's not going to stick. So I'm just making sure that my hair is placed on the edges of my scalp to where I want it exactly, so I can go ahead and go back in with my Gorilla Snot. And as you guys can see on this side, I do have a lot of hair out of my natural hair, only because when I like to wear this wig, sometimes I like to place it behind my ear. So I want to give that like natural look to where like, okay, it's like almost pretty much coming from my hair, you know, but I mean, it's really not. But I don't know, that side is my like good side. So I kind of place a little more hair out. I mean, I know I probably should do it on the other side too, but hey, it's okay. You guys can do it however you guys like it. And so now I am just making sure I am placing the lace front edges to the glue, and I'm pressing the wig into my scalp pretty much, making sure it is on there nice and tight, so when I go in there to blow dry, it will stick. Okay, so now I am going into blow dry on my cool settings, and what I like to do is kind of really press down on the wig, kind of pulling it a little bit so it can really be tight on my head and really stick. As you can see, I'm just applying that pressure and just gently like pressing into the wig on the edges so it will lay down and really stick to my head. I'm done blow drying, and I'm just checking to make sure that this wig ain't going nowhere, that it is stuck to my head. And then I'm taking this brush to brush out all the knots and to make it look, you know, pretty presentable. And then right here you see me going behind my ears, and it's because I'm just trying to make sure I'm getting the wig from behind my ear a little bit so it can kind of come out and not look like it's just fully pushed behind my ear. And now I'm going to go in with my flat iron. I do have it on not the lowest, but the temperature right above the lowest, because you don't want it too hot. And I am taking it, as you can see right here, kind of curling it just at the roots to make it, give it a little more volume so it's not directly flat to my scalp and to, you know, my face. I want to give it just a little bit of volume. So I just do that right at the roots of the hair. And as you guys can see, it's not as flat anymore. It gave me just a little bit of volume, and I'm like, okay, no. So now I'm going to take my flat iron and just curl my hair to give it, you know, a little body to where it's not looking just, you know, straight. Although I do like the really straight look, but I do want some curls to give it a little more volume. So I am taking my flat iron in any direction you want your curls to go in and just curling my whole wig. So now I'm just finishing the rest of my curling, and as you guys can see, I didn't let you guys see the whole thing because I didn't want this video to be super long, but it's super easy to curl this hair. In with my Garnier hairspray. You can go in with any hairspray you like, and I'm just applying just a little bit of hairspray to make sure it holds throughout the day. Even though it is really humid in Florida, my hair did kind of still drop, but it's okay. I am taking this brush to brush out the curls because I don't really like that curl look. I like it to just have that like wave of curl, you know. So yeah, and you guys can see how bouncy it looks. Just amazing. So now for the flyaways, I'm just going to go in with my flat iron to lay those babies down. You can do it on the edges. You can even open it. I believe I do that. And this is just applying heat to the hair as if you were straightening it, trying to lay it down. Another tip I didn't actually show here, you can apply some hairspray and it will lay the baby hairs. Oh, not the baby hairs. The flyaways down as well before you put the heat to your hair. And now I'm just taking my toothbrush to lay them baby hairs down because you want it to look like I got edges, y'all. I mean, I do have edges, but I swear this wig be really pulling my hair back. Okay, and the next step, I am going to be putting on this sleeping cap just to apply pressure to the edges so it will stick a little better. And then I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow palette in the color black just to get any areas that have gaps or may be just a little too light to where it's really not looking natural. But yeah, that is it for this tutorial on this wig. I want to thank My First Wig for sending me this wig. I absolutely love it. I will have down in the description below on where you could get it and what style it is. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys next time.